Hello friends, this is Saumil Patel. This side welcomes you in the automation mastery training. Okay, and in this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the discrete input output. Okay, discrete means digital input output. So for explaining this discrete input output, I am going to use one switch and one lamp. Okay, so let's take the text first. So from the right hand side, I am taking the text switch, and let's take one another text for lamp. Okay, so these two objects I am going to take. Okay, so from where I have to take that objects? Obviously from wizard. Okay, so when I press the wizard, here is the switch section is available. Where is the switch? Yes, here is the switches section is available. I am going to use this knob switch. If I press OK. Okay, so this switch I am going to use. And for lamp, obviously I have to go to the wizard for the lamp, but there is a yes, circular light is available over here for lights. Lamp for lights. Okay, circular light is available over here. Push round siren is available over here. Light panel is available over here, but I am going to use this circular light. Okay, so okay, that's it. So these two objects I am going to use for explaining discrete input output. Okay, so these two objects are the switch and lamp is generally used for digital input outputs. Okay, so now if I double click on this, okay, it's asking for the tag name. Okay, so what which means one type of tag, one type of digital tag that I have to assign to this switch. Okay, let's take the tag like SW1. SW1 is my tag. Okay, so when if I press OK, I have to define that tag. Okay, I have to define that SW1 and I have to define its type. Its type is memory discrete. Obvious, it's a digital type. Okay, and if I save it and if I close it, so my SW tag is assigned to this switch. Okay, and here is the some settings are available over here. So which type of settings? The label color, switch label, label name, on color, off color, and on label and off label. Okay, so this type of settings you can use or you can keep as it is. Okay, by default settings. Okay, so just for your explanation, I am changing the name like switch. I am changing the color. Okay, I am changing the on text 1. I am changing the off text 0. So if you press OK, you can see that the color is changed, label is changed, and on text is changed is 1 and off text is changed is 0. Okay, what is this means? This means when the switch is in the on condition, okay, your SW1 tag will be 1. When switch is in the off condition, your SW tag will be 0. That means SW tag I have assigned to this switch. Okay, that means while on and off, my tag will be 1 and 0. So means by using this switch, you can understand the concept of the discrete input output. Okay, right. But if my switch is on, and if my switch is on, whether this SW1 tag is 1 or 0, how you can identify? Okay, here is just a control, whether it is on, whether it is off. But to identify whether it is actual on, you have to use lamp. That's why I have taken the lamp. Okay, so when you double click on this, you have to assign the expression means tag. Okay, discrete tag, you can see that discrete tag is available. Written is over here, written over here. Okay, so when you double click on this, automatically all of the tag list are open. Okay, from that you can select whatever you want to take the tag. Okay, suppose I want to use the SW1 tag. Okay, so if I press SW1, SW1 is available over here, and here is the fill color of the lamp. Okay, so for the fill color, 0 means red, 1 means true. Okay, I am uh, using this by default color also. Okay, if I press OK, and if I press save of my window. Okay, so this is how I have defined discrete tag to my switch and to my lamp. Let's go to the runtime window and test it whether it is working or not. Okay, if I go to the runtime window, see, my switch is in the zero condition, means off condition, so my lamp is off. If I on the switch, my lamp is green, that means my lamp is on. Okay, so this is how you can use the discrete tag, okay, with the help of some objects like switch and like lamp. Okay, if I go to the development page again. Okay, now let's take another switch. Okay, and let's take another lamp. Okay, and right now for this switch I am using some another tag. Okay, so for that tag creation, I can directly write and create the tag, or I can select the tag from the tag dictionary, means tag name dictionary. Okay, so for selecting the tag from the tag name dictionary, I have to just double click on this. Okay, and automatically all the tags will be listed over here. Okay, and you can select one particular tag, okay, from this list. Suppose I am selecting the start tag. So start tag is the digital tag that I have created in my previous sessions. Okay, so I am selecting the start tag, and I am changing the label of my switch, and I am changing the label of my on label and off label also. Okay, and I am changing the color of my label. Okay, so the start is my label, on and off my is my on and off also is my labels. Okay, for on condition and off condition. Now if you assign the tag for this lamp, okay, so for this lamp SW1 tag is assigned. So when I start my switch, okay, this is here I have to assign the start tag. Okay, so this SW1 is the tag of the switch 1. Okay, uh, so there is no interconnection between the start switch and SW1. Start switch has the some different tag, and uh, the switch that I have taken before, okay, that is the first switch, that has some different tag. So both switch has its own different tags. Okay, so that so by this way you have to assign different tag to this second label, second lamp. Okay, so I have to assign start. Okay, because when I press on this start switch, my lamp should be on. Okay, I am saving my window. I go to the runtime mode. Okay, when I press on this switch, my lamp will be open, but when I press on this start switch, this lamp will be open. So by this way you can assign different tags to the different objects. Okay, so this is the main fundamental concept of the discrete input output tags. Okay, and how to use it you can easily understand by using this switch and lamp concept by this type of two objects. Okay, if I again go to the development stage. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, and we are going to discuss about the analog tags in our next session. Thank you.